today's video, this is the car reveal day. If you saw the last video called Goodbye, the Volkswagen Polo is now gone. Proper warrior, that car. Before we go forward, I just want to give a massive thank you to today's sponsor of the video, Temu. Anyway, let's get into this car reveal. Let's have a look at the interior. So when you open up the door, you're greeted with the Mercedes-Benz logo, which lights up in the dark. Really cool feature. This is not going to be like a review video. I'm just going to show you guys the car. As you can see, that mat is filthy, and that is the inside of the car. We've got the infotainment system from stock. It pushes out 134 bhp. It is a rapid car. A rapid car. Really fun drive. We're going to have a quick look at the engine. The sponsor of this video, guys, is Temu, which I'm super happy about because I've used them before and I love the products that you can get on there. In this box, we've got a car tracker. I can't wait to see if this is any good and actually test it out. The future video is going to be coming up on that. £34, guys. Here's what I got. I got a car vacuum cleaner. We've got some high protection coating for the car, and then I've got this product which I can't wait to do a review on this. It's basically for the windows. It basically stops water from being able to stick onto the windows. Because you guys are watching this video, if you use my promo link in the description below, Temu are offering you guys 30%. If you want to check out any of the products I've used in this video today, even though I've not actually really used all of them in this video, review video coming up soon.